Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and as you guys can see by the title, I am here with a what's in my bag video. I have not done one of these videos since November of last year, I believe. So it's coming up on a year since I filmed one of these videos, and I recently got a new bag, and I always tell y'all that I absolutely love watching these videos. I love the old YouTube, like I absolutely love the old YouTube. So I want to share with you guys and updated what I have in my bag. So if you guys are interested, then of course continue watching. This is the bag that I have currently been rocking. I actually just got this bag for my birthday about 2 days ago, and as soon as I got this bag, I fell in love, and I took all of my stuff out of my other bag that I was carrying and just placed it all in here. But y'all, this bag is so beautiful. Like I said, I got it for my birthday, and I just feel like this is the perfect fall bag, especially because of the color, and I love the hardware because it is gold and I love gold. So this is the front of the bag, and the back is pretty much the same as well. And like I said, it has gold hardware, the gold zipper buckles on the side, and it also comes with this long strap. I do not use this. I don't really like these, so I actually take this off. So this is pretty much how I carry this bag. And one thing I love about this bag is it has a lot of storage area. If you're interested in seeing what I carry in this beautiful bag, then of course continue watching. Okay guys, so the front of this bag has a storage pocket area, which is right here, and I don't have anything in here at all. So I will close that back up, and then on the back it also has that same storage area, which I don't have anything back here either. So all of the goods are in the inside. So once I open it up, here are all of my items that I have in here, which is quite a bit. That's why women should never wear a big bag, because you will find yourself putting everything into this bag. But I love that because you never know what you may need. So it has two little pockets here. It also has a zipper back here. So I'll go ahead and get into what I have in the little side pockets. So in the first side pocket, I just have some car mats. I also have this Broadway lip gloss. I also have a lipstick. This is NYX Perfect Red lipstick. I actually have this in here because on October 3rd I celebrated my birthday pretty early, and I had red lipstick on, so I needed to keep it in my purse just in case I need to touch it up. And I also used this NYX Carbonate red lip pencil as well. And then I also have this NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap. So those are, well no, I have something else in here as well. What is this? Oh, and I also have a pair of disposable contacts, because that's the kind that I use on a daily. The ones that once I take them out, I dispose them. So I have an extra pair of contacts just in case I'm rubbing my eye and one of my contacts pops out, because that has happened to me at work before, and I didn't have no backups on me, so I had to really look for my contact, or I was going to be blind pretty much the whole day. So after that, I learned to just keep some in my purse. So yeah, that's all that I have in that pocket. On the pocket right next to it, I just have these gold hoops just in case I'm out somewhere and I don't want to just have my studs in. I would just put these on. I also have this little small mirror that I got from TTDI colored contacts. And that's all that I have in those two little pockets. Zipper part back here, I just have my nail glue because I do wear press on nails, so I always like to keep a nail glue on me just in case one of my nails pop off. So that's all I have in that one. Now let's get into what I carry on the inside, which is a whole bunch of stuff. First thing I see in here is this little cosmetic bag. I actually got this from Shop Miss A while back, but I just keep like my tampons in here because I just feel like it's just super easy to keep up with them, and I think it's just perfect for storing stuff like that. So that's what I have in here. The next thing I have in here is my wallet that I'm currently using at the moment. And I know it does not match with my bag, but I actually love the color blocking. Like, I think they look good together. I like that. I love the pop of color. So this is the little wallet or wristlet that I am currently using for my wallet. And I just have like my ID, cards, receipts, and things that you will keep in a wallet. So that's that. The next thing I have in my purse is this little change purse. I think I used this in my last What's in My Bag video, but I'm still using it because you can always use it for something. But I actually use this now as my change purse. So I hate having loose change in my purse, at the bottom of my purse, and when it's time to pay for something, you have to dig all the way down in your purse, and that takes up a lot of time. So I just put all of my change in here. The next thing I have in here is my work badge, which I always try to make sure I don't leave it at home because I will not be able to get in a building. I also have my everyday glasses, the glasses that I wear when I take my contacts out in the morning when I wake up. Just some simple, plain black glasses. I have in here is my little pill box, which I think these are really good for anyone that has to take vitamins every day, which everyone should take vitamins, but I just think this is really good if you have medicine that you have to take daily, whether it's your vitamins, supplement, birth control, ibuprofen, you know, things for cramps. So I have two goodie powders in the top, and then this is the actual pill side, and I just have like my pills that I would need. Like I have ibuprofen, I have a B12 supplement, I have two other pills that I have to take, which is like a digestive pill because I eat a lot of hot food, which is self-inflicted. So yeah, and then sometimes your girl blood pressure be tripping on her, and I'm trying to get that under control. But anything that I have to take on a daily or whenever I need it, I have that in here. So the thing I have is this Wild Madagascar Vanilla Body Mist from Bath and Body Works. I really like the smell of this. It's not necessarily my favorite one from Bath and Body Works. My favorite one I actually keep at home. I have the Wild Madagascar Vanilla Body Lotion as well. Yeah. I also have, of course, face mask. That's the world we are living in right now. So I just have a Georgia Bulldogs mask. I'm a Georgia girl. And then I also have this mask that I got from work that I really don't use like that, but just in case I run out the house and don't have one of my main ones with me. The next thing I have in here is my deodorant. This is the Secret Outlast Sweat and Odor deodorant, and I'm actually thinking about transitioning over to the deodorant that doesn't have the aluminum in it, because I know that's way more healthier, and I'm not trying to risk anything, but currently this is what I am using. God got me. That's how I feel. Okay. I also have my edge brush, my phone charger that I forgot to take out my bag earlier, because normally this would not be in here unless I'm at work or something, but this is the one that I actually use at home. I also have headphones in my purse as well, because I like to use headphones only when I am at work on my break, because anywhere else outside or anything like that, I don't like using headphones because I like to hear what's around me, and headphones could be a very big distraction, which is not good. Of course, hand sanitizer. This is a e.l.f. hand sanitizer that they provide. It's free whenever you order anything from their site. So I have this in here. I have pepper spray in here. You have to be safe, and I am big on safety. Speaking of that, I have this cute little bag in here. I'm not going to open it, but you just have to be safe. I also have some fruit snacks. I like to snack on things when I am at work, so I just have these 2 Welch's fruit snacks in here, which are so bomb. I have a receipt. This receipt is from Towers Package because, of course, I bought me a bottle of Hennessy today to celebrate my birthday. My birthday is the whole month, even though it's just the 22nd. I have celebrated the whole month, Libra season. I have some pens in here, which is just this black pen and these 2 pretty purple pens, and purple is my favorite color. I also have a piece of mail in here. This black thing here, this actually works for masks. Like if you have, I'm sure I'm not the only one, when you wear masks all day, it does hurt the back of your ears, but my manager gave this to us, so you can actually put it like this, and it just pretty much kind of not make your ears hurt so bad because it's not going to be pressing down on it like that. So I have that. I also have another face mask. I also have these blotting sheets that I get from Shop Miss A. They're perfect for oily girls, or if you have on makeup all day and you just want to make sure you don't have any oils or sweat in your face. These are really good for that, especially when you have makeup on. I have some more snacks. These are the York peppermint thingies. One of my coworkers actually gave this to me, so I just have these in here in case I want to snack on them. Last but not least, I just have another pen. So that is everything that I have in this bag, y'all, which y'all can see I keep a whole lot of unnecessary, well, no, I don't think it's unnecessary. Everything I have in here are things that I need on a daily. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, if you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.